not sleeping class. So if anybody wants to sleep, please go outside. Okay, so we're gonna start with your English names. So first you're gonna say my name is plus your name. If you don't have an English name, that's fine. You can say your Chinese name, but still say my name is. Okay? Yeah, what's your name?
Okay, my name is Edward Crush.
Okay.
走这样，走这样。那个走，我要走别的。
My name is
你先走，我走。
My name is E.T.
Sorry?
要不然你就讲中文名。
哦，中文。直接送。中文的。送你E.T.
Okay.
Okay.
My name is Hannah.
My name is Kat.
Alright.
My name is
Alright. Okay, so next is how old are you? So I'm assuming you're 18, 19, 20, 21, or 22, most of you. So you're just gonna say I am plus your age, years old.
I'm 19 years old. I'm 19 years old. I'm 19 years old.
I'm 19 years old.
I'm 20 years old. I'm 20 years old.
Then we're gonna talk about major. So that's what you're studying here in school. It's on your student ID card if you don't know how to say it. Here, there are some examples. Maybe one of yours is here. Information management, interior design, international business, information engineering, financial affairs, tourism, visual communication design, finance, civil engineering, marketing and logistics. Okay, so you're just going to say my major is plus your major. Let's start here.
International business. International business.
International?
Business.
Okay.
My major is international business.
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 My major is international business.
My major is international business. My major is international business. My major is multimedia.
Okay. Multimedia design?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Next up is what is your hometown? Are you from Taipei, or are you from Taoyuan or New Taipei City or Kaohsiung, etc.? Okay, so just say my hometown is.
My hometown is Taichung. My hometown is Taipei. My hometown is New Taipei.
My hometown is New Taipei.
My hometown is Rayfang.
Okay. Okay. Now, what year in school are you on? So, in English we do year number 1 freshman, year number 2 sophomore, year number 3 junior, year number 4 senior. Okay, so you're gonna say which one you are. So I am a freshman, or I am a sophomore, I am a junior, or I am a senior. Okay.
I'm a sophomore. I'm a sophomore. I'm a sophomore. I'm a sophomore.
If you need to speak on the phone, please go outside, okay? Okay, alright. Okay, next is hobbies. So, these are the things that you like to do during your free time. So, these are some examples. Playing games, cooking, dancing, listening to music, reading books, shopping, swimming, playing sports, drinking beer, going to the beach, riding, etc. Now, all of these are habits, so you have to use ing. Now, please tell me 2 of your personal interests or hobbies. So you just say, my hobbies are, and tell me your hobbies.
My hobbies are playing game and watching Netflix. My hobbies are dancing and singing. My hobbies are watching movies and cooking.
My hobby are playing games and listen to music.
My hobby are listen to music and bring my home cat.
Okay.
My hobby are cooking and watch movies.
All right. question is, do you work and study, or do you only study? If you do not have a job, you just say, I only study. And if you do work, you say, I work and study, and please tell me what your job is. Okay?
Only study. Work and study.
Okay, what do you do for work?
Wait a minute.
Okay, no problem.
In cram school.
Cram school.
Yes.
Okay.
I only study. I only study.
I only study.
Okay, right. So later today, you guys are going to tell me 4 words that you have learned today, okay? This is for later before we finish the class. So today we're going to talk about traveling. Okay, so I'm first going to ask you these 3 questions, and then we're going to learn about air travel. So first question is, do you like traveling? If you like traveling, you say, I like traveling, or I don't like traveling. What places have you been to? So please tell me places that you have been outside of Taiwan. If you haven't been outside of Taiwan, it's fine. You can say places inside Taiwan, like Kaohsiung or whatever. But yes, if you have been to Japan or anywhere else, you just say, I have been to, and tell me the places. You can tell me 1, 2, 3, as many as you like. And then number 3, where would you like to go? So what places you want to visit? I would like to travel to, and then tell me some places that you want to go to. Let's say at least 2. Okay, and 2 here if you have been to at least 2 places. Okay, so everybody's going to answer these 3 questions.
I like traveling. I have been to China, and I would like to travel to Argentina.
And I like traveling, and I have been to Korea and China. I would like to travel to New Zealand.
I like traveling. I have been to Thailand and Iran. I would like to travel to Japan and Korea. I like traveling. I have been to Korea, and I would like to travel to Japan.
I like traveling. I have been to Korea, Japan, and Thailand. I would like to Japan.
I have been to Japan and Korea. I would like to travel to
Okay, great. So now you're going to learn some words about airport traveling.
覆盖双酵素增进。Number 1, flight attendant. Number 2, boarding pass. Number 3, economy class. Number 4, take off. Number 5, first class. Number 6, pilot. Number 7, check-in. Number 8, passenger. Number 9, jet lag. Number 10, window seat. Number 11, baggage. Number 12, land. Number 13, aisle seat. Number 14, business class. Number 15, gate number.
Okay, so let's take a look at all the words that they mentioned. I have the Chinese translation for most of them. So, of course, this is airport, and then these are the different flight tickets that you can buy. Now, this is the cheapest one, that's why it has only $1 sign, right? So this one is economy class, and then the next one is business class, that's why it has $2 signs. And then the most expensive one is first class, that's why it has 3. So, first question here is, which one do you buy if you travel? Okay, so the phrase will be, if I travel, I buy economy class, business class, first class. Up to you. Okay, let's start here.
If I travel, I buy economy class.
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 Alright. Now next up is the seats. So we have the window seat because of course the window is here. Then there's the middle seat because this is in the middle of these 2 seats. And then there's the aisle seat. Now what is an aisle? An aisle is any space like this, okay? This is an aisle 2, so that's why this one is called aisle seat. Okay, so window seat, middle seat, aisle seat. So which one do you like choosing when you travel? So you're gonna say, when I travel, I like choosing window seat, middle seat, aisle seat.
When I travel, I love choosing window seat.
When I travel, I like window seat.
When I travel, I like
Choosing?
choosing window seat.
When I travel, I like choosing window seat.
When I travel, I like choosing window seat.
Right. Then next up we have is luggage and baggage. So they're the same thing. You can use either one of this. Of course, this is where you put all your clothes and everything you're taking with you. Then we have baggage claim. Baggage claim is where you get your baggage or your luggage. Okay, this here is what we call baggage claim. You see it has a name. And then we have carry on. Carry on luggage. So carry on luggage is the ones that you take with you. Okay, you see this is like a small one. This could be my carry on luggage, right? Or a small bag. Then we have takeoff. Takeoff is when the airplane goes up. And then landing is when the airplane gets to the ground. Okay, so the opposite. Then we have flight attendant. This is the person who gives you food, who gives you drinks, and all of that. Then we have pilot. So pilot is the person who flies the airplane. Then we have check-in. So when you check in, you give out your passport. Right? You have to give out your passport so that you can check in. And then when you check in, you get a boarding pass or a boarding card that looks like this. That passenger. So you're a passenger if you're in the airplane, if you're in the MRT, on the bus, taxi. Then we have jet lag. So jet lag is the time difference, so you feel very tired. So you can say, oh, I feel very jet lagged. So jet lag is the noun, but if you say that you feel tired, you say jet lagged. No, you need to put your student ID card over there. Yes, over there. All right, and then the word gate. So gate is where you wait for your flight. You see, it usually has a letter and a number. So it could be D18, it could be B15, any letter and any number. All right, okay, so now we're going to watch another short video.
My job is to make college easier.
Okay, so these ones are going to be conversations at the airport. So after this, we're going to do a worksheet that I have here. So later on, we're going to do this. Okay, so let's first watch this.
The Scotts are going on vacation. They are going to travel by plane. They are packing their bags. Sarah is very excited.
I can't wait to be in the plane. The taxi is here. Let's go.
I'll put your bags in the trunk for you. Thank you very much. Where can I take you?
To the airport, please. Can you drop us off near the entrance?
Yes, sure. That'll be $8.50, please. Thanks for the ride. Keep the change. Thank you. Have a nice flight.
What are we going to do first, Mom? First, we need to go to the check-in counter. What are we going to do there? We're going to check in our bags and get our boarding passes. Let's go. There is such a long queue of passengers here.
Don't worry. We won't have to wait long. Hello. We would like to check in.
Hello. Can I